Yes, 4-digit number with a 2-digit number multiplication. So, see how to do. First, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. First, we start with 5. 5 6 are 30. 30 means 0 ones, 3 tens. 5 7 are 35 plus 3. 38, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 means 8 tens, 3 hundreds. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 3 means 3 hundreds and 2 thousands. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now with 3. 3 is in tens place. First we keep 0, then you start. 3 6 are 18. 18, 8 here and 1 in tens over tens place. 4 7 are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 2 in hundreds place and carry over hundreds place. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. 4 in thousands place, carry over on thousands place. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 0, 8 plus 8, 16, 1, this is 6, 11 and 5. So, this is the product of 1476 with 5. This is the product of 1476 with 30. This is the product of 1476 with 35. 35. Now, in the same way, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. First you start with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 in ones, 2 in tens. 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. 7 tens, 3 hundreds. 5s are 40, 40 plus 3, 43. 3 hundreds, 4000. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Then after that we start with 4. It is in tens place. First we take 0. 4 5s are 20, 20 and 2 in tens place. 4 7s are 28, 30, 30 and 3 in over on hundreds place. 4 8s are 32, 32 plus 3, 35, 5 here and 3 over on thousands place. 4 ones are 4, 5 6 7. 5, 7, 3, 14 and 8, and write your product. This is the product of 1875 with 5. This is the product of 1875 with 40, and this is the product of 1875 with 45 with 45. Now 2. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones 1 tens. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. 2 5s are 10, 0 hundreds and 1000. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. And 3 8s are, now it is in tens place. First you take 0, 3 6 are 18 and 1 over on tens place. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4. 3 5s are 15, 5 here and 1 carry over on thousands place. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 4 and 2, 11, 5, 8, 4. This is the answer, and here this is the product of 1516 with 2. This is the product of 1516 with 30. This is the product of 1516 with 32. So, like this we have to find the product. Yes friends, next activity. So, solve the following word problems. Word problems are there. So, 2 word problems are there in example. The 2 word problems also you have to practice. So, that is there with solution in your textbook. Now, exercise problems. So, these problems based on multiplication. First word problem, Shruti can type 75 words in 1 minute. In 1 minute, 75 words Shruti can type. Then how many words can she type in 48 minutes? So about 1 minute is given. So he is asking 48 minutes. Means unit is given, more he is asking. If unit he is asking and unit is given and more he is asking, then we have to multiply. So here 1 minute, number of words type, number of words Shruti can type in 1 minute. In 1 minute. How many? 75 words. 75 words. This many words Shruti can type in 1 minute. Then number of words can type in how many minutes? 48 minutes. 48 minutes. What we have to do? We have to multiply 75 with 48. Okay, 75 into 48. 75 with 48. Now you multiply 75 with 48. So this is our 2-digit number. This is also 2-digit number. So we have to multiply 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Now we start multiplication with 8. 8 5s are 40, means 0 and 4 here. Again 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then after we have to multiply with 4. 4 is in tens place, so we keep 1 0. In tens we have 1 0. 40 means 1 0 is there. So that is why we have to keep 1 0 first, and after that we start multiplication. 4 with 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0 in tens place and 2 carry over on tens place. 4 7s are 28, 29, 30. Now add 0, 0, 6 and 3. 3600. How many words she can type in 48 minutes? 3600 words. Therefore, in 48 minutes, Shruti can type 3600 words. This many words she can type in 48 minutes. How many minutes? In 48 minutes. Here we multiplied. Why we multiplied here? 1 minute, about 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many words she can type? 75 words. Then in 48 minutes, we have to find in 48 minutes how many words she can type. So unit is given, or he is asking, so multiplication. So we have to multiply 75 with 48. 75 with 48, then you multiply, then we will get 3600 words. 3600 words she can type in 48 minutes. How many minutes? 48 minutes. Okay. Now students, here second question. See here, what is there in second question? A box contains 48 chalk sticks. How many sticks are there in 75 such boxes? In one box, how many chalk sticks were there? 48. So how many sticks were there in 75 such boxes? About one box he has given and asking more 43 boxes. Means unit is given, more he is asking. So then we have to multiply. Whenever unit is given and more is asking, then we have to multiply. First we have to write the steps first. number of chalks in one box in is equal to how many chalks? 48 chalks. Then now we have to find number of chalks in 48, not 48, 73 boxes. 73, what we have to do? We have to multiply 48 with 73, we have to multiply. So, then multiply 48 with 73. Now, first what we have to do? We have to multiply. So, 3 with 8, 3 with 4, 3 with 1's place, 3 with 10's place. 3 8s are 24 and 2 carry over here. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. Then after that 7. So, we have to multiply 7 with 1's place, 7 with 10's place. Here 7 is in 10's place. So, we have to keep a 0 first in 1's place. Then after that we have to start multiplication with 4. 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 56, 4 7s are 56. 56 means 6 here in 10's place and 5 carry over on 10's place. After that 7 with 4, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33. Now we have to add 4, 4 plus 6 10 and 1 here, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, this is 3. How many chalks were there? 3600 and 3600 and here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 here 5, here 5, 3504. This many chalks were there in 73 boxes. Right here conclusion. Number of chalks in how many boxes? 73 boxes is equal to 3504. This many chalks were there in 73 boxes. 73 boxes. Okay. Now, next one. There are 24 slices of bread in one loaf. How many slices are there in 65 loaves? So, first about 1. How many slices are there in one loaf? One loaf 24 slices were there. About 1 he has given and he has given more, that is 65. So, here also multiplication. Here also multiplication. How? First, number of slices in one loaf. How many? 24. Then number of slices in 65 loaves. How many? 65 in 65 loaves is equal to. So, now here we have to multiply 24 with 65 or otherwise 65 with 24, that is your wish. 65 with 24, then 65 multiply with 24. This is in 1's place, this is in 10's place. Now, multiply 4 with 5, 4 5s are 20 and 2 in 10's place. 4 6 are 24, 25, 26. 4 with 5, 4 with 6 is over. Next 2. 2 with 5 and 2 with 6. Here this 2 is in tens place. So, we have to keep 1 0 first in ones place, then multiply. 2 5s are 10, 10 in tens place, 0 in 1 tens place and 1 in tens place. 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 13, then 6, no, 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 3 5 and 1. Then 1560, 1560 total. Therefore, 1560 slices are there. In 65 loaves, 65 this many slices are there, 1560. Next, the fourth one, a carton contain 165 books. How many books will be there? Will 54 such cartons can contain. So, about one carton, in one carton 165 books were there. Then how many books are there in 54 cartons? So, here solution, number of books in one carton, number of books in one carton, how many books are there? 165 books are there. Then now we have to find number of books in 54 cartons. Number of books in 54 cartons. That is equal to, we have to multiply 165 with 54. 165 with 54. Now 165 with 54. This is ones, tens, hundreds. Now it is our 3-digit number. 3-digit number we are multiplying with, we are going to multiplying with our 2-digit number. Then first 4 with 5, 4 5s are 20, 20 means 0 in ones place, 2 in tens place. After that 4 with 6, 4 6 are 24, 25, 26, 6 is in tens place, 2 in hundreds place. Then after that 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. With 4 it is over. Now we have to multiply with 5. 5 is in tens place, first we keep a 0 in ones place. Now you start your multiplication with 5. 5 5s are 25. 1 5 is in tens place and 2 is in tens carry over on tens place. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 30 plus 2, 32. 2 is in hundreds place and 3 carry over in hundreds place and 3 is carry over on hundreds place. Now 5 1s are 5, this is 1, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 we have to write here, 0 6 plus 5 11, 6 7 8 9 and 8, 8,910 total books. Total books 54 cartons have is equal to 8,910. This many books, 54 cartons they have. So, okay, yes, next question. The cost of a chair is rupees 375. Then what is the cost of 18 such chairs? So, one chair cost is given and 18 chairs cost he is asking. So, unit is given, more he is asking. So, then we have to multiply. We have to multiply. First, solution and steps. In solution steps, one chair cost, one chair cost is equal to rupees 375. Then 18 chairs cost, 18 chairs cost is equal to 375, we have to multiply with 18, then we will get 375 chairs cost. Then 375 multiply with 18, this is in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now 8 with 5, 8 5s are 40, 0 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 4 60, 60 means 0 in tens place and 6 in hundreds place. 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 6, 24 plus 6 30, that 30 complete we have to take. Why? After that there is no number, so complete number you have to take. Now, so we start multiplication with 1. 1 is in tens place, first we keep a 0 in ones place. Then 1 with 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 with 7, 1 7s are 7, 1 with 3, 1 3s are 3. Now you add 0, 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 7 7, 3 plus 3 6, 6750. How much? 18 chairs cost. Therefore, 18 chairs cost is rupees 6750. This is our total 18 chairs cost. Okay. Next, in the sixth question, one basket of tomatoes contains 265 tomatoes. How many tomatoes do 36 such baskets? So, about one basket he has given. In one basket, how many tomatoes were he has given? So, then asking 36 such baskets, how many tomatoes were there? It means unit is given, more he is asking. If unit is given, more he is asking, that means we have to multiply. We have to multiply. Solution. Tomatoes in one basket. 1. How many tomatoes were there? 265. Next, tomatoes in 36 boxes. In 36 baskets. We have to multiply 265 with 36. Now you multiply 265 with 36. Okay, this is in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now we start our multiplication with 6 first. 6 with ones, 6 with tens place, 6 with hundreds place. 6 5s are 30, 30 means 0 in ones, 3 in tens place. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3, 37, 38, 39. 9 in tens place and 3 in hundreds place, carry over on hundreds place. Next, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. 15. Now we start our multiplication with 3. 3 is in tens place, so first we keep a 0 first. Now you start multiplication with 3. 3 5s are 15. 15 means 5 in tens place and 1 carry over on tens place. 3 6s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 is in the hundreds place, 1 is carry over on again hundreds place. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now add 0, 9 plus 5, 14. This is 6 plus 9, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. Total how many tomatoes were there in 36 baskets? 9540. Therefore, tomatoes in 36 baskets is equal to 9540. This many tomatoes were there. Okay. So, if unit is given and more he is asking, we have to multiply. Listen. So, after this more 2 questions were there, 7th and 8th. The 2 questions are similar questions. So, you have to do as your home assignment. Okay. Yes, now students, our lab activity, maths lab activity, see here. So, what is that? Find the star. We have to find the star. Where is our star? Here our star is there. So, this complete our circle. So, sphericals, these circles are there. This is a circle. So, we have to complete these tables first, one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. So, till here we have to complete our tables and we reach star. Okay. So, how? So, by doing 8 ones are 8, till here we reached. 8 2s are 16, till here over. 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 45, 8 6s are 50, 8 6s are 48, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 72, 8 10s are 80, 8 11s are 88, 8 12s are 96. Till here we completed. So, till here we reached. So, then after that 9 table, you complete your 9 table. 9 1s are, 9 2s are, 9 3s are, 9 4s are, 9 5s are, 9 6s are, 9 7s are, 9 8s are, 9 9s are, 9 10s are. Then after that you start 9 11 and 9 12 also. Then after 10 table, 10 1s are, 10 2s are, 10 3s are, 10 4s are, and in this way, so you complete your table and reach till the star. Okay. So, where we start from here, 8 1s are, 8 1s are, 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So, we complete our table and slowly, so we have to move, and after that, so we should reach till star. Where is our star? Here we have star. So, here after completing 10 12s are, so we will reach our star. So, remaining 9 table and 10 table you have to complete and you reach star. Okay.